Sarni Motorsports Update, May 29th, 2025. Summary: MotoGP, Marco Bezzecchi secured his first victory with Aprilia Racing at the Tissot Grand Prix of the United Kingdom in Silverstone, marking the team's 299th win in World Grand Prix motorcycle racing. The race was chaotic, featuring early crashes, including those of the Marquez brothers. After a red flag due to crashing and oil on the track, Bezzecchi inherited the lead when Fabio Quartararo retired due to a mechanical issue with his Yamaha. Marc Marquez managed to take third place after a fierce battle with Franco Morbidelli. In the championship standings, Marc leads Alex Marquez by 24 points and holds a 72-point advantage over Ducati's Pecco Bagnaia. Franco Morbidelli sits in fourth, just ahead of Johann Zarco. Speculation surrounds reigning champion Jorge Martin's future, as Aprilia confirmed he remains under contract until 2026. The next race is set for Motorland Aragon from June 6th to 8th. World Superbike, the Pirelli Emilia-Romagna round of the World Superbike Championship is set to take place at the Misano World Circuit Marco Simoncelli from June 13th to 15th. Teams, including Ducati and BMW, have been testing at the circuit. Ducati test rider Michel Pirot has been working on the new Panigale V4R with a fastest lap of 1:33.956s. During the testing, Nicolo Bollegna from Aruba Ducati topped the timesheet on day 2 with a lap of 1:32.093 seconds, which would have broken the track record. Axel Bassani from Bimota by Kawasaki finished third overall, completing a strong test with notable improvements in race pace. Sam Lowes from Elf Mark VDS Racing showed progress, finishing P4 after improving his lap time. As the championship heats up, key riders including Bollegna, Alvaro Bautista, and Toprak Razgatlioglu have yet to finalize their contracts for 2026. Currently, Bollegna leads the championship with a 31-point advantage. Ducati is leading the manufacturer's standings by 58 points over BMW. Moto America. The 2025 Moto America Superbike Championship continues this weekend at Road America in Wisconsin, where Cameron Beaubier leads the standings with 3 wins and 1 second-place finish on his Tytler's Cycle Racing BMW M1000RR. Jake Gain is in second place, boasting 3 podium finishes, while reigning champion Josh Herrin is third, trailing Gainey by 13 points. Bobby Fong and Sean Dillon Kelly follow in the standings, with Fong just 3 points behind Herrin. Notably, JD Beach remains undefeated in the Moto America Superbike Cup Championship for stock 1,000 motorcycles. Beaubier set a record lap at Road America last year, and other active winners at the track include Herrin, Gagne, and Fong. Isle of Man TT. During the Isle of Man TT qualifying week, Honda Racing's Dean Harrison made headlines by achieving a record lap of 133.069 on Superbike, the fastest ever on the opening night of qualifying. In the Superstock class, Davey Todd led with a lap of 131.23 mph, while Michael Dunlop topped the Supersport class with 127.18 mph, and Rob Hodson led the Super Twin class with 119.52 mph. The sidecar class was led by the Crow brothers at 118.79 mph, but their session was limited to 1 lap due to fog. The session saw multiple competitors setting impressive times, with Harrison, Todd, and Dunlop each improving their laps as the evening progressed. Notably, television coverage of the event will be available on Racer TV starting May 31st. SarniMotorsports.com is your dedicated source for motorsports news. We cover open-wheel, sports car, and motorcycle road racing events. For the complete stories mentioned in this video, click on the link to our weekly newsletter in the description below. One last thing. If you enjoyed this summary video, please hit the like button to help us reach more readers. Stay connected with us for the latest updates and in-depth analysis. Visit SarniMotorsports.com now. Don't forget to tune in to the WBRS Motorsports Update every Wednesday at 11:30 a.m. ET on 100.1 FM or online at WBRS.org. Get your motorsports fix today.